Hello everyone. Today we will see about neural networks. A neural network is a powerful AI model inspired by human brain that uses layers of interconnected nodes to recognize complex patterns in data, learning from examples to make predictions or decisions without explicit programming for every rule, powering applications like image recognition, NLP, and forecasting. This was what we have learned earlier about neural networks, or by now, most of them have known definitions about neural networks. Today, we will see about neural network based learning. As part of that, we'll just go through some of the objectives. Objectives are the concept of neural network in learning scenarios, types of neural networks, application view of neural networks, the different algorithms in neural networks. Let's see an example over here. While learning tables, a question may arise. What is the value of 18 into 7? You would think, what sort of a question is this? Of course, you know the answer without using a calculator because you have learnt it in your childhood, so you can give a quick answer. Why? Because you have trained your brain for it. You have practiced it a lot that in fraction of seconds you are able to give answers. Similarly, consider any game, say tennis. You practice day in, day out with inputs given by a coach and start playing well. While training, you are corrected at different stages. At later stages, you become an expertise. Neural networks is a concept that is analogous to a human brain. Let us understand it conceptually with relation to human brain. A human brain consists of billions of neurons. Each neuron is connected to many other neurons. They cooperate with each other to do a specific task. There's a transfer of information that occurs between them. A neuron is typically fired when it gets some input and sends signals to further neurons. Let's look at another example. You perceive that a car is coming with high speed while crossing the road. The brain works telling you to make a move to avoid the accident. Things happen here simultaneously, or we can say that there is a parallelism. So let's introduce this neuron over here, which we have said that it is analogous to human brain. In humans, there is some movement or action that is initiated by the brain after processing is done. On similar grounds, artificial neural networks process is as shown in the below figure, where the neuron gets signals from synapse and outputs through works. This is also called as information processing system. As you can see in the figure below, that it consists of axon, dendrites, synapse and nucleus in the neural architecture. Coming back to the concept of ANNs, the networks model the human brain structure. So it models the human brain structure as you can see in the figure. An ANN comprises neurons that are connected. They are trained to do some task. Unlike humans, where we can forget things, the neural network does not. It becomes an expert gradually when more amount of training is provided to it. But for what task an ANN is used? Remember that ANN is configured for a specific type of task only. It is often used for pattern recognition, as you can see in the figure, speech recognition, image matching, classification tasks, and forecasting. Apart from that, you get to see even classification and clustering also in the below figure. Hope you got some insights in neural network based learning. Thank you.